Today I will show you York chiller model number YS AA 0110. It will show that tonnage. That tonnage is 110 something 100. Okay, that is its display, controller display. That is status what show flow switch open. That flow switch why open? Because we stop the valve of chilled water. Okay, and it is expansion valve controller. As you see, this wire going to electronics expansion valve from system 1 and system 2. Okay, that is our display. That is option, language, switch 1 off, on, as you want, switch 1 on, switch 2 off, switch system 1 and 2 both are on, then you press enter, then it will start. Okay, now this switch 1 and switch 2 off, system 1, that is set point hour, which set point is the 44. Okay, that is our history, alarm history. Now it is history, so flow switch error, and that is our program, which program you want. Okay, not touch program because it is already programmed by York. Okay, then valve is closed, that's why the sticker there, valve close. Now I will close it. Okay, so this is controller is off. Now I will show you that starter and motor protector inside the power circuit. Okay, so guys, this is our incoming coming from main supply RYB, and after that it will going to system 1 contactor, and that is system 2 contactor. Okay, there is, you see, 3CT that is going to our motor protector. This motor protector, so check this motor protector, what is the protection in this motor protector: jam, trip, motor full load ampere, current enable, ground fault, phase rotation, under current, low power, high power, under voltage, over voltage, voltage unbalance. Okay, so that is Eaton company manufacturing motor protector. It is very useful for our motor safety. And that is control transformer, that is control fuse. After that it will going to 110. What is the output of secondary side? Output not show. What is the okay? So this is compressor system number 1, KM1, and this is compressor number 2. Okay, that is, and this is condenser fan for system 1, 3 condenser fan. One system is 4 condenser fan. In one compressor, one contactor, 2 separate motor, and in one condenser is 2 motor. In one contactor 2 motor, and 2 contactors separate 1 motor. Total is 4 motor in one system. 4 motor in this system and 4 motor in this system. Total is 8 condenser fan in this system. Okay, there is control fuse, as you see. Okay, this is control relay of system 1. This is control relay of system 2, and this is the 3 fuse of condenser fan. And this is also system number 1, 3 fuse of this condenser fan contactor. That same motor protector for system 1. Before I will show you system 2, that is system 1. Okay, now it is not fault, see ready. Okay, if fault is coming, then what is the, this is condition, it will show, and control relay is trip, as you see. While I reset, this control relay on, check, trip, control relay off, reset. Okay, that is now ready. Okay, so these 3 are CT, these are going to motor protector. Check, their CT is going to motor protector. Okay, so what is our control voltage? In this control voltage, there is a three phase, and this is for relay NO point, NC point. Okay, that is going to start for this control relay, and these are three from coming CT. It is coming from CT one side, and second side is going to also CT. Okay, now I will close this door and I see you mechanical part of this. That is this diagram, control diagram, all control and power diagram. Okay, now I will close this door. I close this door. Now I will show you the compressor. Compressor is it is a Hitachi make compressor, screw compressor, Hitachi make, with piston type loading and unloading. This will check. There are three solenoid valve which movement our piston for loading and unloading. This is compressor from Hitachi. Model number you check G5. One minute. What is the model number? G50ASF. Voltage 450 hertz. That is their Star Delta water cooled. Okay. Made in German. Okay. Refrigerant 134. Okay. It is compressor. So you can check Hitachi compressor. It is a 50 ton. One system compressor 50 ton and other is also 50 ton. That is total is 100 ton chiller, air cooled. So this is our compressor, our filter. You can change yearly or preventive maintenance. And this is oil separator. As you can see, is from bottom to head. This is oil separator. It is inbuilt in compressor, not separate. It is inbuilt in compressor and separate the oil from refrigerant, discharge refrigerant. Okay. You see, this is our discharge port with oil separator. Oil separate from discharge pressure, oil separate from refrigerant, and this discharge line is going to this is pressure sensor, temperature pressure sensor, or oil pressure sensor, or gas refrigerant pressure sensor, and this is discharge point. This is discharge shut-off valve. This is discharge shut-off valve. If you want to work in condenser, then you will shut off this. And this is discharge line. This is discharge line is going to this discharge line. This discharge line going to condenser. Okay, as you see, then it will divide it in two port and coming from two port. This is liquid line and this is liquid line. This is our discharge line. Okay, this discharge line now come here. This you see my finger. This coming to filter. Okay, system number filter. After the system number 1 filter, it is going to electronics expansion valve. After electronic expansion valve, it is going to plate heat exchanger. As you see, this is plate heat exchanger, not tube type. It is plate heat exchanger. So I am going to refrigerant going from this liquid, and after expansion valve, it is convert in low pressure liquid, and after that it is low vapor. This is going to suction. This is suction port of compressor. Okay, now other side I will show you the water pipeline which connect in plate heat exchanger. This is water pipeline. You see, this is plate heat exchanger. Water coming and water going. It is pressure switch and this is temperature switch. You see, pressure sensor and temperature sensor. Sorry, this is pressure temperature sensor. This is temperature sensor and this is pressure sensor of chilled water pipeline. Okay, so there is no typical. Very easy. This is very easy. Not system ja most system not connected, the flash tank equalizer York YV double A, but this is ISA system ja. Okay, one more time I will show. This is compressor, and compressor, this is discharge port, is going to condenser. After condenser it will liquid line coming from this hood, filter, and after filter it is expansion valve to going plate exchanger, and after that it is suction line coming.